Khalistanis or the farmers, peaceful protests और violence all around. ये protests आखिर है क्या चीज? क्या प्रोटेस्ट करने से सारे इश्यूज सॉल्व हो जाते हैं? प्रोटेस्ट में वायलेंस लाना जरूरी है क्या, या फिर इसे पीसफुली भी किया जा सकता है? लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस प्रोटेस्ट विद अ रैप ऑफ जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स. हे देयर, आई एम रजत. लेट्स ओपन अप. अगर आप अपने विंग आइडियोलॉजी के साथ एक कंक्लूजन पे पहुंच चुके हैं, देन दिस वीडियो इज नॉट फॉर यू. ये प्रोटेस्ट हमारे लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है, और आजकल तो हम इनके ऊपर जजमेंट भी सुनाने लग गए कि कौन सही है और कौन गलत. सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी लाइक,
मैं क्या करूं, फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Way back, government came up with the One Nation One Tax, projected as GST. There were protests all around. A few years back, government came up with the Citizenship Amendment Bill. There were protests all around. A year back, government came up with the 3 farm bills, and there were protests all around. And yesterday's incident has involved everyone to start a discussion. Was that rally, was that procession a peaceful one? चलिए एक बार सही इसके पीछे के सारे लॉज और एक्ट्स को समझ लेते हैं, फिर आप डिसाइड करना ये सही था या गलत. फर्स्टली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फंडामेंटल राइट्स. आर्टिकल 19, राइट टू फ्रीडम. आर्टिकल 19 ओपन के अंदर 6 सब क्लॉजेस आते हैं, जिसमें से हमें बस 2 की ही बात करनी है, which plays an important role on this issues. Number 1, the right to freedom of speech and expression. You, me, every citizen in this nation can express their views, opinions, beliefs by means of words, by writing, by picturing, by printing, by the signs, or by any manner. And number 2, right to freedom of assembly peaceably without any arms. Every citizen has a right to freedom of assembly at a public place. We are free to carry out any procession, we are free to carry out any marches, but those should be peaceably and without any arms. शांतिपूर्वक होनी चाहिए और बिना किसी हथियार के. हम इंडियंस आर्टिकल 19 ऑफ 1 को लेकर इतने ज्यादा कॉन्शियस है कि हम आर्टिकल 19 ऑफ 2 को शायद ही भूल जाते हैं. द स्टेट कैन इंपोज रीजनेबल रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन ऑन द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ sovereignty, integrity of India, security of the state, friendly relation with the foreign state, public order, decency or morality, contempt of court, defamation and incitement to an offense. यानी एक क्राइम के प्रति आपका सपोर्ट. ये मैं नहीं कहता, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा हुआ है. एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ असेंबली डज नॉट प्रोटेक्ट द वायलेंट, डिसऑर्डरली, रायोचुअस assemblies or one that causes or breaks the public peace or those involves the arms. Also, you need to be clear that this particular right does not include the right to strike also. Secondly, let's talk about some of the acts under the Indian Penal Code and the CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code. Number 1, the law of sedition. Under IPC 124A Indian Penal Code, violence or intention to public disorder causes disturbance to the public peace which is against the unity, sovereignty and integrity of India or the security of the state. All these amounts to the sedition charges. यहाँ पर समझने वाली बात यह है कि हम गवर्नमेंट के सामने सवाल रख सकते हैं. We can ask the question because government is accountable for that. अपने frustration को express कर सकते हैं. But those frustration shouldn't be against the sovereignty, integrity and unity of the nation, also the security of the state. Under section 144 CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, a magistrate can hold back the assembly meeting or the procession if there is number 1, risk of obstructions, number 2, annoyance or danger to the public life, and number 3, health or safety or disturbance of the public tranquility or any riots or any affray. Under Indian Penal Code IPC section 141, the assembly of 5 or more persons becomes unlawful if the object is to restrict the execution of any law or the legal process and to threaten the government or its officials on exercising lawful powers. Well, the constitutional norms are kept, the laws are kept and the articles are also kept. अभी मैं ये बात आपके ऊपर छोड़ता हूँ, आप खुद डिसाइड कीजिए ये सही था या गलत. Those processions, those marches, those rallies, those protests should be supported or should be blamed. It really feels disturbing seeing people posting such videos on their social media platform. And moreover, there are people who are supporting this procession. मुझे नहीं जानना कि वो खालिस्तानीज थे या फिर फार्मर्स, पर मैं इतना जरूर जानता हूं कि सच रायोट्स, सच वायलेंट प्रोटेस्ट, सच प्रोसेशंस breaks the unity, integrity and sovereignty of this nation and is a threat to the public. खुशी इस बात की है कि we Indians have got 6 fundamental rights provided by our Indian Constitution. मगर दुख इस बात की है कि still we don't know that these fundamental rights are not absolute. There are some reasonable grounds of restrictions. And by letting you guys know about this very small fact, it does make sense to me.